ASTM International is a globally recognized leader in the development and delivery of voluntary consensus standards. Today, over 12,000 ASTM standards are used around the world to improve product quality, enhance health and safety, strengthen market access and trade, and build consumer confidence.
My name is Kathy Morgan, and I have the great pleasure of being the president of ASTM International. I do see our membership diversity changing, and it's very exciting. It's really energizing for me to walk around an ASTM committee week and see a lot of young professionals, to see a room full of women. ASTM's strength is having this diversity. Standardization's strength is having a diversity.
Formed in 2018, the Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence is a collaborative partnership among ASTM International and organizations from industry, government, and academia that conducts strategic R&D to advance standards across all aspects of AM technologies. By bringing together the best technical experts from our partners in Auburn University, EWI, the MTC, NASA, NAMIC, and NIAR, we are able to accelerate the development of AM standards by sponsoring R&D projects. We're creating a comprehensive education and workforce development program that educates and trains the additive manufacturing workforce at all levels while continually incorporating new advances to respond to industry needs and leverage standardization, certification, and the AMCOE partners' expertise. By acting as a liaison to ASTM standards developing committees, we assist with filling gaps in the AM standards roadmap and support the transfer of related R&D projects. In addition, we facilitate technical publications, proficiency testing programs, and product certification programs. The industry consortia co-funds material dataset development, leveraging R&D and material dataset expertise from ASTM and its partners. Advisory Services offers a range of business and technical services supporting AM implementation globally. Current positions we are hiring for include the Additive Manufacturing Client Engagement Manager. This position will help identify and pursue opportunities to grow the AMCOE's advanced manufacturing programs. The Additive Manufacturing Lead Project Engineer will help identify and implement high-impact training programs, including qualification and certification programs. The Additive Manufacturing R&D Project Engineer will work closely with AMCOE partners and lead the execution and management of R&D projects. The R&D Research Engineer will support R&D activities and lead data analytics and visualization of technical content. Senior Lead for Advanced Manufacturing Programs will direct and coordinate all advanced manufacturing programs at ASTM, as well as develop and manage new programs focused on Industry 4.0 and digital transformation. Join the team of global experts at ASTM International's Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence.
Hi there, my name's Greg Waters. I'm one of the directors at Adatai Digital. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about what we do. We're not actually a company that hires necessarily for us. We're a recruitment company for the additive manufacturing industry and for Industry 4.0. I've been doing it for 7 years now, as has my colleague Anthony Hickey. We've both been in the industry since 2015. What we've been seeing recently is a really big push towards companies looking for people with strong sales and or business development experience. We're seeing a lot of companies looking for application engineers, a lot of companies looking for product managers. So we are always interested in speaking to people that have experience in those fields. But equally, we're looking to find good candidates across all disciplines. We have a really strong track record of working with candidates to find them jobs that specifically suit their skill set. That's something that we're both really good at. Equally, there's obviously another really big discipline that we're focusing on right now, which is software. You may or may not know, you probably do know that lots and lots of companies in AM and 4.0 are looking for people with all different levels of software experience. So if you have any kind of software experience and you've worked in AM, then we're very interested in talking to you. But our focus really is all about quality. We get a lot of repeat business. We get a lot of referral business from people in our network, from people we consider as friends, because we always make sure that we deliver a good product. We put very good people in front of very good companies. We try to match companies and candidates based on their value systems, which is really important if people are actually going to stay with the company for the long term. So that's the kind of main focus of how we work. It's not just about putting somebody into a job and crossing our fingers. It's all about putting people in there and making sure that it's the right kind of fit so that they can stay there for the long term. So if you're a candidate that's out there looking for a job, or if you're a student that's out there looking for your first job, then we're really interested to talk to you. We can have a good chat about your options and how we can help. And equally, if you're a business, startup, or well-established business looking to hire one key person or looking to hire a team, then we're really interested to have a chat to you about how our process works and has worked repeatedly over the last 7 years, and then we can talk about how we can specifically help you. So anyway, so if you're looking and you need help and you want to talk about recruitment and what to do and what not to do, come see us. We're sponsoring this event. We've got a table here. It's Adatai Digital. My name's Greg Waters, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks.
Hi there. Thanks for your interest in Authentize. We're a relatively small company based in Philadelphia in the US and London in the UK, although mostly, as you can see, we're remote. Our software helps manage the workflows of some of the major players in the additive manufacturing industry, like Boeing, Ricoh, Danfoss, or Beehive 3D. But really, our vision is bigger than just managing workflows. We started off 10 years ago based on an experience I had working in Nigeria where a plane crashed and 159 people died because it takes a minimum of 3 days to get a spare part into the country, and the airline decided to keep it flying. And so right from the beginning, we are really motivated by producing parts locally on demand. Distributed manufacturing has been our goal, and we started doing that with security software. So we stream designs into printers. Now we're more on the workflow side, but we've got a lot of big plans right now. So we think that the data that we're gathering at the moment is incredibly valuable as a basis for future AI. We think that there's going to be a big opportunity in managing not only designs, but the intent of designs and managing the workflow to get that intent into a design. And of course, we want to get to that distributed manufacturing vision. So we would be delighted if you were to join us. We always have a lot of roles on offer, but the one specifically that might be interesting to you is a customer success advocate. And really what that means is you're somebody that works with the clients to understand their processes, to maybe optimize those processes, and to understand where digital solutions can play a role in managing their processes better, where data can be captured, where processes can be automated, where manual time can be saved. You might be embedded with a customer, and that that means really in one of the top tier metal or polymer additive manufacturing factories in the world, or you're working with multiple customers from a remote location. But either way, I hope you'll consider joining us. At the moment, we're recruiting this role in the US, but we are always looking in Europe and other places as well. So please reach out. We're thinking about starting a training program for this kind of role too. Aside from the customer success advocate, we've also got roles in software development, in marketing. So have a look, speak to us, and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
Great ideas fuel progress. Making them real propels us forward. Yet many valuable ideas that could improve our lives never see the light of day. Status quo manufacturing processes are cumbersome, holding innovation back from the world. 3D printers have made inroads, but printers alone are not enough. Carbon is more than a printer. We're creating an idea-to-production platform of advanced materials, software, hardware, and services that is expanding what can be made and accelerating how smart ideas become real. We are solving hard problems to empower creators everywhere to develop better products faster in ways not possible with traditional technologies. And we're building a global ecosystem that's opening up the world of manufacturing. An engineer designs a revolutionary bike saddle in California, tests prototypes that week in Italy, and produces it in Taiwan. Dentists custom fit clear aligners that are produced in days, giving patients newfound confidence. Cycling without pain. Smiling without shame. Whether the need is one or millions, people experience meaningful impact. Carbon empowers you to explore and realize your best ideas quickly. We're leading the way to a more open, connected, and sustainable world of manufacturing that will improve all our lives. Our mission is to enable creators everywhere to make what the world needs right now.
Guten Tag und willkommen at Formlabs. I'm Sebastian and I work here at Formlabs Berlin. I will now give you a quick tour of the Formlabs European headquarters. Too quick? Verflixt und zugenäht. Let's do it again at your speed. Here at Formlabs Berlin, we have over 110 team members. From engineers to marketing specialists, sales, service.
That's the one. Just click on the butterfly.
Print production, technology, and more. We are a multicultural team of people from all over the world, even spanning multiple species. Stop giving excuses and get on an earlier train. Our offices are located in one of the funkiest parts of Berlin, where we are surrounded by nature, great food, and great people. Let's talk to some of them. How do you describe your team?
I would describe it as a diverse, fun, and communicative.
How is it working for an international company?
Languages has always been a great passion of mine.
Follow your dreams.
Working with people from different culture, with different background, it's been a great experience.
Wunderbar. What do you like about working at Formlabs?
What's it like working for Formlabs? It's in this iconic building called Funkhaus in Berlin. They've got fantastic concerts, which is always a plus. It's open plan, which is great, right next to the river, and you can have a lot of collaboration with people both outside and indoors. And working for a 3D printing company in the realm of technology, it's great to see that from the ground up.
In our offices, we have multiple state-of-the-art meeting facilities to relay in real time with other offices around the world. And if you need a break from working day activities, we have state-of-the-art foosball and ping pong tables. Oh yes, and we have Club Mate. I hope my warm personality and natural charisma have given you a good glimpse of what it feels like to work at Formlabs Berlin. This is the end of our adventure together. I hope you have enjoyed this tour. Auf Wiedersehen!
There are no shortcuts when it comes to metal additive, no skipping steps. But there is a way to get there faster, to accelerate your path from prototype to full production, to put the people who pioneered additive to work for you. At GE Additive, we're redefining what's possible with the machines, powders, software, and know-how to transform metal powders into parts. Parts that can go anywhere and do practically anything, across even the most precise and highly regulated industries. When you're ready to take the next step on your additive journey, we're ready to make it a success. GE Additive, for the ready.
Hi, my name is Amber Andraco, and I'm the Materials and Process Section Manager at GE Additive. I'm also the champion for GE Additive's Women's Network. We're excited to be represented at the TIPE 2022 Career Fair, where you can talk to our colleagues about their roles and experiences within additive manufacturing. As GE Additive is a global company that spans the entire additive ecosystem, from powder manufacturing to machine production and even production of additive hardware for customers, there are a multitude of disciplines represented within the company. GE Additive has open roles in Sweden and Germany, as well as remote options. If you're interested in learning more, please stop by the table to discuss and check out ge.com/careers. Hope to see you soon.
One fine day I get a call from my co-founder Shane Fox, and he asked me, Vishal, I'm trying to build something in additive, do you want to join hands? And first question I ask him is, why can't my software talk to machines? Everything is interconnected, and why are we not able to send jobs to machines directly? And there was no answer. The industry was not there yet. This is back in 2016. Link3D is an additive manufacturing execution system, allowing for a connected digital thread and a connected ecosystem, helping our customers solve mission-critical problems on additive factory floor.
Link3D provides a software-as-a-service solution to a host of industry segments such as aerospace, defense, oil and gas, even the consumer market, automotive. Basically, the organizations that are in highly regulated industries. Link3D provides that end-to-end infrastructure that enables the capturing, the managing, and the reporting of the quality data associated with the manufacturing of the parts going through their operations. Because at the end of the day, our customers are really looking for our software solution to enable their ROI.
And that's why we're really excited to be here today to the TIPE Virtual Career Fair, because we need to build the team that can help us scale additive manufacturing to new heights, create the digital platform that can integrate best-in-class solutions so that we can help streamline operations to enable additive manufacturing for R&D, prototyping, tools, jigs, and fixture production itself, all the way through working with partners and vendors across the globe. So join us and you can help support organizations to enter Industry 4.0 and digitize their additive manufacturing landscape. And to do that, there's a whole slew of work that we need to get done. And that's why we're hiring for backend Java developers in Leuven. where they could reside in part of the Materialize headquarters now that we've been acquired. In North America, we're looking to hire front-end engineers, back-end engineers, QA engineers, computational geometry engineers, 3.js developers, and also enterprise sales representatives that can help us support the aerospace and defense, automotive, medical, consumer, oil and gas sector, so that we can help them adopt additive, build, grow, and scale it sustainably. We are in need of people who are open to change, willing to solve problems that have never been solved before, ability to think outside the box and learn new things, and not afraid to do that. So currently we are operating fully remote during COVID, so that way you can make sure that you feel safe. But when life returns back to normal, the Link3D and Materialize organizations do have offices across the globe. So hopefully we will be near you, so therefore we can actually meet you in person. Feel free to reach us. We will be on the virtual floor number 1, and we look forward to connecting with you.
Do you just want a 9-to-5 job? One where you just simply turn up, do your work, go home and get a paycheck each month? If so, don't come work for us, because we're much more than that. Nexa 3D is a fast-growing, dynamic company that is passionate about making the world's fastest 3D printers affordable and sustainable. As more businesses realize the groundbreaking nature of our technology, our team continues to grow and fast. The work that we do is important, but who we do it with matters even more. So we challenge and inspire each other to do what we do a little better every day by fostering a creative and stimulating work environment. We not only strive for innovation, but we are encouraged to be happy, hungry, helpful, and always humble. We're looking for like-minded, talented teammates who already strive to make the world a better place and aim to solve our planet's greatest challenges by changing how we design and make things. These are the very professionals who want to deliver a brighter future for manufacturing, who want to make a difference when reducing the world's carbon footprint, and are driven to develop innovative technologies that leave a lasting, sustainable legacy. Working at Nexa 3D is not just about being part of a company, it's about being part of a culture. By joining us, you will become one of the few that is shaping the future of advanced manufacturing and product design. Our close-knit team inspire, invent, and innovate every day, so we want kindred spirits who will do the same. So if you want to hang out with other brilliant minds, be consistently inspired by them, and work with them to expand your horizons personally and professionally, Nexa 3D is the place for you. Do you want to change the world? Work with us to achieve it. We can't wait to meet you.
Welcome to PostProcess Technologies. Here at PostProcess, we're leading the transformation of additive manufacturing. We make the process of removing supports and surface finishing printed parts easier with increased consistency and efficiency. Our headquarters are located in Buffalo, New York, and we also have our international offices in France. Our comprehensive system of proprietary software, patent-pending hardware, and additive formulated chemistry work together to remove the bottleneck in the third step of additive manufacturing. In fact, our founder, Daniel Hutchinson, was the first to address this growing challenge that the 3D printing industry faced. You'll find these solutions at work across industries, including aerospace, defense, automotive, consumer goods, dental, medical, and more. Our culture is one that thrives on creativity, respect, excellence, advancement, trust, and execution. These core values define what we as employees live every day to execute our mission and are critical to our team's success. We believe in transparent communication and make sure that we conduct interactive team meetings regularly with our CEO and senior leaders. We're committed to our key objectives and results, which will help you see the big picture and show you how your hard work makes an impact daily on our early stage company's growth. Every team member has equity in our company, and our friendly and energetic team here collaborate together to make a productive and fun work environment. We're growing rapidly and looking to add people to the team who are passionate and creative. Those who thrive in a fast-paced, innovative company are a great fit for our open positions. If you're a problem solver and a team player that's always looking and thinking outside of the box, PostProcess is the right place for you. Become part of our team and join the revolution.
Hi, my name is Kim Daly, and I'm a product manager here at Stratasys in the Eden Prairie facility, where we have the manufacturing business unit and where Stratasys was founded 30 years ago. At a glance, if you look at our company, we have 30 plus years of innovation and leadership. It started as a garage business and grew into a multinational, publicly held company with zero debt and great partners like partners in space, partners on the ground, partners in medical, partners in consumer goods, partners in tooling and manufacturing aids and jigs and fixtures. And we touch everything. We're able to touch everything in polymer additive that can improve how things are currently done, either with time to market, improving the supply chain, increasing innovation, increasing workers' lives, improving the life of a single patient. There's so much that can be done with polymer additive at Stratasys. We have a big market that we're addressing, and it's just growing. It's projected to grow at a rate of 14% year over year. So there's lots of opportunity and lots of expansion that's going to happen within Stratasys and within the industry. And we partner with the best in class, from our software partners to our material partners, and not to forget for even 1 minute our fabulous reseller system, reseller infrastructure of partners. We have headquarters in Eden Prairie, Minnesota, in Israel. We have regional offices in Europe and Asia. It's a big international company with a lot of top to bottom opportunity for anybody who wants to be part of something bigger than themselves and would like to bring their whole self to work and be part of a process where it's good to be you, and we welcome new ideas and new styles, and we hope to see you soon. There's a little film after this, and I'm a believer, so I really like the way the film is done. I hope, and I think it's true too, and I was thinking about the statements I would make. It pretty much is all captured in this film, which is great. And we invite you to stop by the virtual career fair at Women in 3D Printing, or check out our jobs and our opportunities that are posted on our careers page at stratasys.com. We hope to see you soon. Thanks.
Expansion of our technology is really opening our minds to creative ideas and asking us to think even further outside the box.
We have the technology, the software, we have the materials. Anything is possible.
Our innovations have not slowed down. They've gotten much wider and are picking up pace. Now we're reaching so many different industries, from manufacturing to design and healthcare.
We're able to identify those customers who are really pushing the boundaries and setting new challenges for us. In that way, customers drive our innovations.
Every time I've had an idea, I've had the support. I can run with it and make it a reality.
Ultimately, it means we keep innovating and delivering excellent solutions for our customers.
There are huge benefits from being able to talk to teams around the world, some of whom have been perfecting technologies for a long time with very high standards.
What unites us is that we're all driven by this common purpose. When we all pull in the same direction, we can make amazing things happen.
We connect. We connect experience with curiosity. We connect reliable with innovative. We connect the case study with the big picture. We connect expertise with passion, simplicity with impact. We connect trust with courage. We connect tradition with the future. We make digital transformation. We connect the physical inventory with the digital inventory. We connect.
Hey everybody, I'm Tally Rossman. I'm the General Manager of Xerox's LM Additive, Xerox's 3D printing solutions arm. At LM Additive, we're all about making supply chains resilient, and we want to enable our customers to easily and safely embed additive manufacturing into their operations and really maximize the potential of additive manufacturing by enabling them to have distributed manufacturing. The way that we're doing it is through our hardware and software solutions. On the hardware side, we launched about a year ago the LMX liquid metal printer. That's the easiest to use, easy to deploy, easy to get trained on, easy to service metal printer, making it exceptionally easy to get production grade metal parts in your hands while removing all the cumbersomeness that you have with existing metal technologies, because ours uses wire instead of powders. So there's no toxic risk, there's no explosion risk. We make it very easy to use it. On the software side, we're going to be launching very soon workflow related solutions to help companies even more easily embed additive manufacturing into their operations and further enable distributed manufacturing. We're growing really fast. We're headquartered in Cary, North Carolina in our Center of Excellence, which I invite all of you to visit. And we're hiring for a variety of roles, both early career and later career with leadership potential in software development, in engineering, and in quality. So, and more roles are becoming available every day. So feel free to reach out and constantly keep your finger on the pulse of what we're hiring for. We'd love to have you on our site in Cary, North Carolina, and potentially have you as part of our LM Additive team. Thank you.
The last decade plus has seen the digitization of many industries, and somehow this global imperative to get products made to your specifications has eluded one of the largest and most important industries in the world, the manufacturing industry. Zometry is democratizing manufacturing, giving everybody access to unlimited capacity, giving everybody access to emerging technologies or innovation in more traditional manufacturing. And likewise, it's a marketplace for the sellers, thousands of small manufacturers to sell their capacity to do what they love most, which is to make things.
A design engineer or a buyer can simply upload their files to our platform, identify the requirements that they need, and get instant price and delivery. And it is that fast.
The thing that impresses me about Zometry is, first of all, they're usually at the forefront of all the latest technology.
We've been building these proprietary algorithms using artificial intelligence to create that instant pricing, that instant lead time, that instant manufacturing feedback that's so important for both the buyers and the sellers. And because we're using machine learning, it gets smarter and smarter, figuring out that optimal match and also figuring out the best price for the customer as well. This technology is the backbone of our marketplace and enables it to work so efficiently.
Our sellers have a dream to run a manufacturing shop. They want to make precision parts. They want to provide good jobs in their community. Sellers come to the job board to see listings of jobs, a selection of which have been curated for them. That curation is based on inputs directly from the seller about the kinds of machines, capabilities that they have, and the machine learning that Zometry is doing all the time about what work that seller has taken before and how they performed on it.
We're really passionate about reducing carbon emissions from the manufacturing industry. Our algorithm now calculates not only the cost and lead time of manufacturing a part, but also the carbon emitted in that manufacturing process. And then we allow those buyers to offset that carbon emitted through either a river, wind, or solar project.
Zometry is able to provide us certainty that we can scale with them, not only in 1 or 2 sub-assemblies, but potentially even more. And we've been expanding that relationship faster than was on our roadmap because it's been going so well.
Zometry's played a huge role in my overall life as far as being able to have the work available in order to give you peace of mind.
We're a marketplace that accelerates innovation, supports small businesses, and helps build our collective future.